Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So in this video, I'm gonna be telling new spoilers. Okay, so the first spoiler is... Oh my god, what is this?
Run.
Why is that thing chasing me? I'm so sorry for the interference, guys. Okay, so the first spoiler is a new pet. His name is Bad Wolf, guys. I hope he doesn't bite me. Okay, guys, so I'm going to tell you the second spoiler. Oh my god, it's this thing again, guys. Is that a weapon in his hand?
Bruh. Why are you running? Why are you running?
I hope that thing is never coming back again. Okay, guys, so the third spoiler is a new car. Look, that car is so big, guys. And it seems dangerous to even touch it. I hope this won't hurt me. Okay, guys, so there's a third spoiler too. And oh my god, that thing is back again. But this time, I came prepared. I brought a gift for him, guys.
I'm joking! Stop! 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 Stop the brake! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Okay, guys, so the third spoiler is New Year outfits. Finally, something that can't hurt me. It also looks so cool. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Please subscribe if I made you laugh. Okay, guys, bye. Have a great time.